If YouTube isn't working on your Roku device, don't worry. I'll show you the fastest fixes that get it working again. Before changing any settings, try restarting the YouTube app. If restarting YouTube didn't help, go to the Roku home screen and open Settings. Inside Settings, select Network. Next, choose Check Connection to test your Roku's internet connection. If both the wireless and internet checks show green check marks, your Roku is connected correctly. If the connection test passes but YouTube still isn't working, the next step is restarting your Roku device. Go back to Settings, then scroll down and select System. Inside the System menu, select Power. Next, choose System Restart. Select Restart to reboot your Roku device. Wait while your Roku restarts. This usually takes less than a minute. After Roku finishes restarting, open YouTube again and check if it works normally. If YouTube still isn't working after restarting your Roku, the next step is checking for a Roku software update. Go back to Settings, then select System. Inside the System menu, select Software Update. Select Check Now to search for the latest Roku software. If Roku finds a new software version, install it before opening YouTube again. When the update finishes, Roku will restart automatically. After it turns back on, open YouTube again. If YouTube still won't open after updating Roku, the next step is removing and reinstalling the YouTube app. From the Roku home screen, highlight the YouTube app, but don't open it. Press the star button on your Roku remote to open the Options menu for YouTube. When the Options menu opens, select Remove App. Confirm Remove to uninstall YouTube from your Roku device. After YouTube is removed, return to the home screen and open the streaming store. Search for YouTube, then select the official YouTube app from the results. Select Add App to install a fresh copy of YouTube. When the installation finishes, open YouTube again and check whether it starts normally. If every previous fix has failed and other apps work normally, a factory reset may resolve a deeper Roku software problem. Open Settings, select System, then choose Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. A factory reset removes your installed apps and settings, so only use this option after trying every other fix. One of these fixes should get YouTube working on your Roku again. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.